Salam everyone, hope you're all doing really well inshallah. So today is really exciting because we are about to start Juz Amma, which is the last juz of the Quran. It has a lot of surahs that we are very familiar with, but they're very poetic. The verses are much shorter, and so you will notice that this is quite a level up, and that's why I've called this level 3 on the course. And I do recommend you do level 1 and level 2 first. The playlists are on this channel before you actually start this level. And so even people that have done level 1 and level 2, you might find this a bit tricky, but don't lose hope, and this is probably getting you closer to your goal of understanding Quranic Arabic. And I really hope that you've been finding these lessons easy and fun, and that you've been making lots of good progress, and that you've been really noticing a difference when you read the Quran now. In terms of how much you understand. So if you do like these, then do let me know, leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, all of that, and enjoy this lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So it is going to be tricky and hard. But inshallah, God will make it easy. Where's my pen? Let me just find my pen. Oh, there it is. Okay. So the reason it's so tricky is because the verses are going to be really, really short, and they're going to be very poetic, and also the whole sentence will be broken up into multiple verses. So you have to keep in mind what the previous sentence was, so you don't completely understand the meaning. And what else? Yeah, the words are quite different and new as well. So yeah, these would be like the main challenges, I guess. So عما يتساءلون.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, عما يتساءلون. عما ساء
يتساءلون. سأل سؤال.
سؤال, question. Something with asking.
Yes.
عما is about.
Yep.
About asking them. Those. What?
Yeah, so it's like
ask about something.
Yes, so exactly. So amma is actually like a derivative from sorry, where's my pen not working? Oh.
Amma.
Maybe the batteries are weak. That's weird. Let me connect it. So amma is a derivative of like from ma, which meant what, and then amma kind of adds the question bit. So amma yatasaalun is what are they asking one another about what? Amma. Make sense?
No, I'm not sure. So amma is what? But you said amma. Oh, with alif.
Yeah, so I mean it's not meant to be alif, but it is a derivative of ma, which meant what, and then the ain adds a bit of a question, like amma yatasaalun.
Oh, okay, got it, yes.
Okay, and then yatasaalun is from, sa'il, which meant questioner, or su'al, and then the verb is yas'al, to ask, or he asked.
Okay.
So what are they asking one another? عن النبأ العظيم.
عن النبأ العظيم. عن is on or about. عن النبأ عظيم is great. So it's like, what are they asking about? It's about something great. Naba.
Naba is
something like that.
Because Nabi is someone who informs, right? Naba is news or some information. Naba.
Okay.
And then so like ambiuni, it is also a it takes a verb form as well. Like ambiuni is like tell me. So it's like give me information.
News.
When God
About Nabi inform. Okay. Okay.
so it's
So
what are they
about great news.
Yeah. So the whole sentence is what are they asking each other about the great news?
What are they asking each other about the great news? Okay.
Or you can think of it like عما يتساءلون, what are they asking عن النبأ العظيم, about the great news?
Is it like what they think about the great news kind of thing?
No, it's like what are they asking each other and what are they asking you?
But I'm not sure if I get. So is it like what are they asking you about the great news? Then question mark?
Yeah. And it's more like what are they asking each other? Like what are they talking about? What are they discussing? What are they questioning?
Okay.
What's the meanings?
Okay.
Then الذي هم فيه مختلفون.
الذي هم فيه يختلفون. Those who فيه in it مختلفون. Wait. خاتلي. I have heard this before. مختلف.
Yeah.
اختلاف.
Yes.
So those who disagree with it.
So الذي is not those. الذي here is that, because remember it could.
الذي هم.
So whom is then they. So what are they asking about the great news? That they of it are disagreeing. So what are they asking about the great news that they have ikhtilaf about? So they are in disagreement about this news, which it is Islam and Quran, etc. So that this bit is that. So about this news, they are in disagreement. Yeah.
Okay.
يعني كلا سيعلم.
الذي هم is those who. What is then those who?
الذين هم.
Sorry?
الذين is those plural.
الذين with the na. Okay.
So الذي, it can be
That or this.
yeah.
Yeah, okay. That they in it disagree. Okay, got it. Let me shut down the region. كلا سيعلمون. كلا is like no, right? كلا, like with, with a strong no.
Yeah.
So كلا سيعلمون. علموا. No, they don't know.
No. So do you remember what sa was for?
No.
So the sa was like something future. So they will know. كلا سيعلمون. No.
Oh, indeed, they will know.
They will come to know. ثم كلا سيعلمون.
I don't think I got this rule. Maybe it was one of those days I wasn't there.
Or what? The sa?
The say,
Okay. So sa is like something that will happen in the future. So yeah, سيعلمون and سيصلان نار جهنم. I think there's a verse like that they will enter the fire, etc.
okay. ثم كلا سيعلمون. Then indeed they will know.
Very good. And this kind of repetitive thing you will see in Juz Amma quite a lot. And it's like, no, they will come to know. Indeed, no, it's like, it's a, again, it's a
Like
repetition.
emphasis.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alam. Question.
Very good.
Alam نجعل الأرض مهادا. Does or what? Not what. Does نجعل. جعل. Wait. Something with we came?
No. Oh, you're
جعل.
Ja'a. Ja'a means to come.
Wait, we made. Did wait. We made الأرض مهادا. Did we made the earth مهادا? هذا.
Mihada. Mihada, like Mahda, we haven't done before. I don't think so. So alam question mark, but in the no form, right? Did we not? So alam naj'al al-ard, did we not earth?
Okay.
So mahad actually means a cradle, the baby, what the baby sleeps in. So have we not made the earth like a bed or like a resting place for you?
Okay.
And then
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. والجبال أوتادا. والجبل. Jabal I have heard of before.
Yeah.
أوتادا. And so I think it's like, so didn't we made the earth as a resting place and this?
Yes.
Yeah. But it's just Jibal. We had this Jibal before.
Jibal. Should I say or do you want to try?
No. Give me some hints.
Okay. El Jibal. So they're on the earth.
Sorry?
They're on the earth. These Jibal and Jabal and
Jabal. Okay, I give up. No, I don't give up, but
mountain.
Oh, Jibal. Okay. Jibal and okay. And with mountains El Tada or Tada.
No, Autada. It's one
Of the word. Okay. I don't know.
So Autada, it means pegs or stakes. So you know how pegs are, like they go deep into the like wood. So basically, this is like one of those miraculous verses where that God shows that the mountains, they are so much below the surface of the earth as well as on top, because they're like pegs, so they're pushed, they go deep into the earth.
Okay.
And then
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. وخلقناكم أو أزواجا. استغفر الله. And we created you أزواجا in pairs.
Yeah.
وجعلنا نومكم سباتا. And we made you نومكم. And we made sleep for you سباتا. Okay, I'm just guessing because of something with resting.
Yes, very good.
Really? Okay. Because I was just thinking, okay, what can sleep be good for?
To arrest. And it might have something to do with like Sabbath that the Jews used to have, which meant it was like their day off almost.
Oh, that's okay.
And even now, like Yom Sabt is Saturday, the weekend, where you rest.
Saturday.
Saturday is Sabt in Arabic, in modern Arabic actually. Okay, وجعلنا الليل لباس.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Ooh, and we made a layli, the night, libasa. Wait, libas is like something, wait, clothing or covering or something.
Yes. Whoa, this is easier than I thought.
No, I love Juz Amma. I love Juz Amma.
Amazing. So that was it for this lesson. I hope you found that useful. Please do like this if you found it helpful and leave a comment. It makes my day and it also really helps the channel. So Jazakallah khair and see you in another video.